Hello everybody, I am Jaydeep Mundra from Transpet, India. We are manufacturers of PET cans and jars. Today, in this video, we are demonstrating our new 60mm Rtc screw type PET can range. In this range, we have sizes from 200ml, 250ml, 350ml, 430ml and 500ml. PET can is a unique combination of PET jar, easy to open end can lid and plastic cap on top for reuse purpose. Transpet PET cans is 100% airtight, lightweight, above 300 microns, unbreakable, BPA free, 100% food grade, reusable packing solutions. It provides good shelf life for various products. Now we will demonstrate how to break the seal of the PET can. First, we will open the lid, pull the tab. With the help of the thumb, we will pull the whole seal out and then we will screw the plastic cap again. The advantage of this screw type lid is after opening also, once the seal is broken, when you apply the cap on top, it makes the can airtight again. The caps are available in various colors. In the RTC screw type range, we have mouth sizes in 52mm, 60mm and 80mm. Ranging from 200ml up to 1000ml, sizes are all available. For more information, you can contact us. Contact details are mentioned in the video description. Our website is www.transpetcans.in. Thank you.